What's up? This is Chrisanne Barreto and I'm here with Glitz Vision USA. So, these guys were nice enough to get me my gifts from you lovely people, all my fans. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for these gifts that came on my birthday, which was how many days back? 23 days back, but thanks to COVID, we could not meet and I could not get your presents. And I know you guys have been messaging me, so finally it's here and I'm here. And we had to do it today because tomorrow I'm leaving for a shoot and I can't tell you guys for what, but I'm going to be gone for a long time and I'm excited. So let's start. So Sara Patel, this has come from Canada. This is a guest loss and oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that. I am going to use this for sure and it's got pink in it. Oh my god, Sara, I wish you had your handle. I'm going to post this. This is so pretty. I love it. It's adorable. I'm going to use this in my shoot also. Alright, and the next one is from Baby Doll Chris and Chris Creation. Oh, that's so cute. So I think Chris Creations and I complete 4 years of following each other. I think that happened today. So what a great day. Look at this. How adorable is this? Oh my god. Thank you guys. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna leave this right here. Wow. So pretty. So, from Ramsha. Ramsha, I remember talking to you on video call on the app. This is so cute. Can I read this out? Happy birthday, Chrisanne. May your birthday be special as you are to me in every way. You are an angel. You have been and always will be my inspiration. You are a pure soul and keep spreading positivity as you do. May God bless you with lots of love and success, happiness. May all your dreams come true and may you have a successful future ahead. Love you to the moon and back. How sweet, Ramsha. Never let your smile fade away. It's precious. Happy birthday. That is so sweet. Thank you, Ramsha. This is adorable. This is so cute. Oh, look at it. Oh my god, I love you guys. You are so sweet. I feel like it's my birthday again. Ooh, we have a happy birthday. This is from Baby Doll Chris and Chris Creations again. Woohoo, guys, so sweet. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. And you guys know that I love dairy milk. That is so cute. Love you, Star Child. Aww. You guys are so adorable, man. This is so cute. Oh, I love you guys so much. You have no idea. Okay. We have another letter from Sara. Says, happy birthday. I fell in love with you during Ace of Space. Didn't know you before. Glad I got to watch you. Both. Okay. Happy birthday. Lots of love from Sara. That is so sweet, Sara. This is so cute. I'm going to tag you guys in this. You're so adorable, my heart. Alright. From Chrissy Diaries, we have another one. I feel like it's my birthday again. The whole of October is my birthday. Daisy. Yeah, Daisy. I remember talking to you in the live chat. Okay. How do I open this? I don't want to break anything. Oh my god. How do you guys do this? It says, happy birthday, Star Child. That is so cute. Look at that. And it says, pull this. Wow, you guys, like, y'all are so talented. How do they know how to make these things? Wow. So sweet, Daisy. This is so adorable. Aww. Look at that. It's so cute. And this is me as a baby. Oh my god, this is so adorable. This is two of my favorite pictures. Dude, you guys are just too cute. And there's a card. Ah. Thank you so much, so much. This is sent by Surprise Wraps and Daisy, Chrissy Diaries. So thank you so much. This is so adorable. I remember you said that you were very impressed with the whole happiness life coach thing and it changed your life. So I'm so happy, Daisy. I'm so happy it changed your life. Woo! I want to like hug all of this and sleep tonight. Okay, we have a gift from Sarah. How cute are you? Sarah Patel from Canada. You are too cute. This is adorable and I'm going to use it. This is so cute. Sarah Patel, when I wear this, I'm going to tag you as my stylist. That is so cute. I love it. What a sweetheart. And she knows my size also. So cute. And you know the kind of stuff that I like wearing. Dude, so sweet, man. Yeah. How cool is this? I love this. Sarah, you got great sense in clothing, by the way. And you killed it. Wow, I love this. I'm gonna wear all of these things and click amazing pictures. And thank you, Sarah. This is so sweet. It's my birthday. All right. There's a letter inside. Please check. This is from Chrisanne Girl and Chrissy Fangirl Sikkim. And it's sent by Surprise Wrap. Okay. There's a card here. Hey, is that your picture? Look. So cute. Her name is Sunita and she's from Sikkim. And she has the Chrisanne Girl fan page and Chrissy Fangirl fan page. And I will check your DM. So cute. I want to read this aram se. I want to feel it. So I will read this later. Oh my god, how cool is this? That is so pretty. That is so cool. Thank you. That's so sweet. I love it. I'm going to frame this like above, right in front of my face every day I wake up and I want to see myself. Actors are so self-obsessed, na? Oh man. This is so me. Wow. Look at that. I don't think it comes on right now. Look at that. You guys might not know, but from the first salary that I ever got when I was working with Red Bull, I went and I got a cushion that was a full K. So this is so cool. How do you guys know what I like? That's so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. You made me feel like it's my birthday all over again.
So any message to the fans, have sent wishes, gifts and love for you?
That's so sweet. You guys have made the effort to do so much and it's so adorable and it makes me feel so special, man. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right in life.
Right. And the fans also wanted to know, is there something professionally you're working on which you might not reveal right now, but maybe sooner or later?
Yes. So tomorrow I am going to Rishikesh. First Dehradun, then Rishikesh. I have 15 days of a shoot there. I don't think I can reveal for what exactly, but it's something big.
Cool. Okay.
Hi, this is Chrisanne Barreto and you are watching me on Glitz Vision USA.